tell us your first name.
My name is Mark.
Mark, that's my dad's name, by the way.
He was a good guy.
Yes, exactly. So your wife got a sauna for you yesterday, a Relax sauna.
Correct.
And today you came to try it.
Yes.
And you didn't know that I usually tell people that 50% to 100% of your pain guaranteed will be gone in 5 to 7 minutes.
No, sir. I did not meet you till I got out of this thing.
Right. And so you had some kind of surgery or hip replacement?
No, actually I have pins in my hip from a boat boat accident.
Wow. Okay. And so it was hurting when you got in.
Yep.
And what was the level of pain from a 1 to 10 level?
About a 7.
7. And you got out. Were you surprised that it didn't hurt as much?
Yes, I was. I was very surprised.
Because we didn't tell you that.
No. And I didn't have to use my arm to take my leg off of the little stand.
Oh, you did?
Okay.
No,
yeah. And that's a new thing.
Yes.
Yeah. So anyway, when you got out, before we stuck you back in, what was your level of pain?
About a 2.
2.
Yes.
Yeah. That's impressive.
I was very shocked.
So if your wife hadn't already bought one, you might have bought one then.
Probably yes. I would have said, this is pretty cool. We should look into this.
My mother-in-law is going to sit in it too, so she lives
good.
with us, and she can barely walk.
Okay.
She's going to have advantage on it.
Great. And so you're excited about using this for your mother-in-law?
Yeah, my mother-in-law, she lives with us, so she'll be able to use it, and I think she's going to
Great.
feel a lot of good changes for herself.
And what happened to you yesterday when you got in the sauna?
Oh, I have arthritis all over my body, and the worst of it's in my foot.
Yeah.
And it like really reduced the pain, and it stayed gone for quite a while, even into today.
Wow.
And I was only in there 18 minutes.
Were you surprised?
Yeah, I was.
And
Yeah,
so you bought one, you came back and bought it then?
No, I bought it while I was sitting there.
You're good.
Oh, thank you.
You tune in and you see what you know what you need and you do it.
Yep. When she told me the price, I was actually really shocked.
Yeah.
You're only selling these for $1,300.
That was a show special, yeah.
Yeah, I thought they would be a lot more than that. So
Right.
I thought, well, I'm going to jump on it.
Well, a lot of people have $4,000 or $5,000 wooden saunas.
Yeah, I know.
And this is, I mean, for the same price, it's worth,
Yeah, well, when she told me about the technology,
Yeah.
I thought, well, that's where it's at, and you're not going to get that in a wooden.
No.
In a wooden one, and the wood is going to absorb all the chemicals and things that are detox from our body.
Yeah.
This is not going to do that.
No, that's a
yeah.
good point. I mean, there's so many advantages of the Relax sauna over, plus the fact that it increases the core temperature of the body significantly more than any other sauna. I think that's why we get such great results with pain.
I'm really excited to have it at home.
And when you wake up in the morning, it puts a cup of coffee to shame. I do it for 20 minutes every morning like clockwork.
I don't even drink coffee anymore.
No, neither do I.
Oh.
Because I do the sauna.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, right. Yeah, exactly. So did you have any last minute words to say? You feel good.
If you're skeptical, jump in one.
The experiences
will change your mind.
Yeah.
It's pretty incredible.
And when you got in, what did you expect before you got in?
Just to be kind of hot.
Yeah.
And then maybe feel the same.
Yeah. Is it warm and loving?
Actually, it is. Yeah. It's very. It's really relaxing.
Yeah.
Just
Do you know why they call it the Relax sauna?
because it's relaxing.
I think so. I think that's why, and so it's Relax Saunas, relaxsaunas.com. There we go, relaxsaunas.com. And so thank you both. Thank you both.
Thank
And
you.
what was your first name?
My name's Kathy.
Kathy. Okay, and then you already told us your name is Mark.
I'm still Mark.
Okay, good. Okay, well, thanks so much. I'm going to turn it off, and I appreciate your candid expressions of your joy.
Oh, you're welcome.